Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage marketing automation with Marketo, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Marketo account using your credentials. On the main dashboard, navigate to the Marketing Activities section. Here, you will find your existing programs and campaigns. To create a new campaign, click the New button. Select Smart Campaign from the drop-down menu. Give your campaign a descriptive name for easy identification. Next, set the channel for your campaign. This helps in tracking the performance of your marketing efforts. Now, you need to define the smart list for your campaign. Click on the Smart List tab to build your audience. Use filters to specify criteria for your target audience. For instance, you might filter by demographics or engagement levels. Save your smart list once you've set the desired criteria. Now, move on to the Flow tab. This is where you define the actions that will be taken for the audience in your smart list. You can choose actions like sending an email, adding to a campaign, or updating a field. Be sure to specify the correct email template if you choose to send an email. Next, set up the schedule for your campaign. You can choose to run it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. After scheduling, review all components of your campaign for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Activate to launch your campaign. Monitor the performance of your campaign in the Analytics section. This will provide insights on engagement and conversions. If necessary, make adjustments based on the data you gather. Regularly update your smart lists and campaigns to optimize performance. Utilize Marketo's reporting tools to track your overall marketing effectiveness. Always stay updated with the latest features and best practices to enhance your automation efforts. With these steps, you're now equipped to manage marketing automation using Marketo effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.